Hello students, today we will start chapter 7 working with tables and using mail merge. In our previous class we have discussed how we can create a table using table button and using insert table option. We have already discussed that how we can enter data in the table cell or type text, and we can move or add text using arrow key and tab key. So now we will start with editing tables. After entering data in a table, you can make changes in the data as needed. Like I have made one table with the marks of various subjects of various students, and you can change it the marks as well, and you can add, remove columns, cells in the table, and you can add on more text or numbers you want. And you can also delete the unwanted rows, columns or cell from the table. So now I will tell you how you can make these changes. For example, see here my cursor is in Hindi marks, Anukriti's Hindi marks. It is 98. So I want to just edit it. So what will I do? I will just delete these marks and write 88. Okay. Suppose I have written 98 by mistake. So I am editing my mistake. Okay. So I have made it 88. And I also want to add one more column for computer marks. So I will just click on the last column, because after that I want another column. So I will go to layout. Here under rows and column group you will find various options, and click on insert right. So after that, here see one more column is here, and I can write it computer. Fine. And I can also add various marks of students like this. So, and if you don't want it, you can also just go to the same group. Here you will get a delete option. Click on delete, and here you will get 4 options: delete cells, delete columns, delete rows and delete table. If you want to delete the whole table, you can click on delete table option. Here I want to delete only this column, so I will click on delete column. So now you can see column is deleted. If you want to add row, so what you will do, just click on where you want row, above or below. Here I have clicked on the third number, and I want to insert a row below, and I want to insert a row above. Like that you can insert row, and if you want to delete it, you can just go to delete option and click on delete rows. Like that you can insert columns and rows in the table and edit the data you have already written. Next is formatting an entire table. After we have created a table and edited it, next we can do is to format the entire table using table style. As soon as you click on the table, you will get another table tool with design tab and layout tab. Fine. Just go to click on design tab. Here you will find various table styles, and you can also add shading and borders to your table. Here you will get various options and you can select any one of these. Here I have selected this one and there is no border in it. So for border, if you want to add borders to it, just select the whole table and click on borders drop down button, and you can choose which type of border you want, outside borders or all borders. If you want all border, just click on all border option. Here you will get all border and you can do shading as well in particular cells. Here I have selected only one, that's why all the changes are previewing in this particular cell only. Okay, like that you can change your table, its color and table style. Now I have chosen another one. See, you can select whichever you liked from this table style.